my name is Alex Cecilia. I'm a graphic artist. I'm going to show you how to make lips look chapped in Photoshop. So here I have a picture of my lips, and I'm going to show you how to basically make them look chapped with the burn tool. So burn tool, right below the smudge/blur tool. When doing this, it's probably best to use shadows as far as your range. When you go up to choose whether midtones, highlights, or shadows are the range you're going to choose. And your exposure should be at about 50. Your tones should be protected, and you can use whatever size brush you want. So basically what I'm going to do is just take the burn tool and just go over the lips. And then what you can do is then you can shrink it to about 3 is good. Then you can start burning the cracks in the lips. And you can always put your exposure down a little bit if you want, just so that it doesn't paint as hard. And there you have your chapped lips. And there are your very chapped lips. My name is Alex, and this is how you make chapped lips in Photoshop. Thank you.